ANTIX is currently the best new AI project that you can invest right now, guys. And now that Bitcoin is over $100,000 and the bull run basically is coming back, it is of course great to look out and invest into this new trend of AI and of course new coins that are coming out. In theory, the project or the platform is out since many months or years already. They already worked with very big companies, but only now they are entering the Web3 space. So we have covered ANTIX some weeks ago, and right now I'm gonna do an update video, guys, because this one is a very big project that I would definitely buy right now. And in the video description right at the top, I'm gonna put the link to ANTIX, to the pre-market phase, because you can invest into this coin before it is coming out. As you can see, they're rapidly increasing here their funds that they're raising, because you see more and more people investing into AI projects, and also more people are interested in the future basically, because ANTIX is part of the future that we're gonna see in the Web3, guys. They have already worked with very big companies, and also they have already big investors behind it, and they're completely transparent. You can check out the team, you can check out the white paper. Everything is perfectly transparent. So this, in my opinion, is a completely risk-free investment or project. Of course, there is always risk involved. This is no financial advice. I'm just sharing my opinions and what I'm buying, what I'm doing. But this one here worked together with Game of Thrones Conquest, PUBG mobile game, FIFA, World of Tanks, and also the team experience is even bigger. You can see here Apple, Godzilla, Stalker 2, Doctor Strange, Quake Champions, and so on. This one is already big in the video and gaming industry, and now they're entering into the Web3. You can also see their models that they're doing is completely real, and they look like real persons, even though everything is AI generated. And also everyone will be able in the future to use this project and this program and create also their own basically AI models. You can see how beautiful the pictures and the videos are. Everything is really insane, guys. This is crazy what you can do with it, and this is looking completely real. So this will completely change the whole video and gaming industry. Movies, games, everything will be completely new. This is a game changer. And watch also at the quality of ANTIX and the AIGE technology. This is insane, guys. If you look at those AI digital humans, this is really mind-blowing. The details, everything. Look at the pictures, look at those movies. Everything is made from ANTIX, and this is completely Hollywood quality, and I never have seen better quality than this. So this is gonna be a completely new revolution in content creation, advertising, cinema, and of course also gaming. And this gaming industry is of course worth trillions if you combine also cinema, content creation, advertisement, and so on all together. And ANTIX is of course the pioneer in this AI digital humans sector, and I think that only because of that, it's already worth to invest into this project. And this unique technology that they have, this AIGE technology, is insane what this is capable to do. And also here on this platform, the AIGE, this one slashes video and avatar production costs from around 400k per minute to just about $2 per minute. So insane what they are going to do here. For us, of course, the most interesting thing is how to invest into this coin and how to basically profit from this new game changer, which is ANTIX here in the crypto industry and in the Web3, of course. So use the link to get this 5% bonus on top of your purchase, guys. I'm gonna demonstrate you how to invest into this project. It's very easy and simple, and right now we have the best chance to invest into this one because it's still in the pre-market phase, and also this one is in the stage with minus 32% below the listing price of the coin. You can of course also use your credit card if you want, very soon. It's not out yet, but with cryptos you can already invest. If you need a good exchange to invest in cryptos, guys, use the best links here here in the video description, because with those links you get the maximum bonuses on Bybit, for example, on Maxi Global, BitUnix. All exchanges I am using, always use different exchanges, not only one. You can then top up your DeFi wallet, for example, through Bybit, Maxi Global, Coinbase, and so on, and then you can participate here on the pre-market phase of this coin. I'm gonna demonstrate you how to do that. I already have connected here my wallet, but I'm gonna disconnect now and show you again how to do that. I think I already showed that in the first video that I did about ANTIX, but right now I'm gonna demonstrate that again. And of course they pass through all kind of audits and stuff like that. I mean, their community is already big, so this is not something new. You can see 246,000 followers on their X account. Make sure to be part of it, guys, to get always the newest news here. So make sure to be subscribed on this one here. And of course also get always the newest news and updates about the project, and also the token sale as well. So sometimes you also have special promotions and so on. Currently it is only 5% the promotion, and you can also see that many whales are investing also into ANTIX. I guess that most of them are Ethereum whales, or if they're sitting still with a bunch of Tether and they maybe think that they missed out to buy Bitcoin or other top-notch coins, then of course you can invest into pre-market coins to still have that huge upside potential, because the coin didn't have that huge pump or money flow in the market cap of that coin. So if you're buying in the pre-market phase, it's basically still considered low market cap, because they're just raising a few thousands of dollars, or in this case also millions, and then when they're coming out, then they go into 20 millions market cap, 50 millions, 100 millions, and so on. And this is where of course most money can be made. Of course nothing is guaranteed, but I think that with ANTIX we have basically 100% winner. So of course there is always risk involved, but here whales are buying. They are already big in the video and gaming industry. They are already bringing out huge things out, and you can see that also the general trend is going to Web3, is going to crypto, is going to AI, and ANTIX is definitely one that is combining everything together. You can also check out their crazy movies and demonstrations, what they did already on their website. And that's why the trend is going to DeFi, to AI, to all those stuff, especially here with ANTIX. You can also in the future create your own avatar, your own basically AI model also of yourself, or make a game or a movie, all with AI. And this is, in my opinion, a big game changer. They have also a big team worldwide spread. You can check out everything about the project itself. Also here, if you go into the details and check out different demonstration videos and pictures, you can see how crazy stuff you are able to do in the future. So this is looking completely like a real human here, and this is all AI generated, guys. And if you're in the if you're playing games, if you're playing video games, then you should know, of course, how realistic everything is looking like. So definitely check it out, guys. And the trend is clear, guys. Perpetuals, airdrop tokens by NFT projects, DeFi AI, virtual protocols, World Liberty financial portfolio, everything DeFi. This is the trend that we have right now, and here you can really invest into a coin with huge upside potential, where basically you can invest since day one. The team is completely transparent. You have here Roman Tsiganov, the founder and CEO, and also others are of course accessible through here. They are already featured in different crypto websites. I could talk like hours and show you hours stuff from that, but the best thing is if you just go and check it out yourself, especially those virtual models and videos and pictures that are basically possible to do. Also, NFTs will be launched. This is also something in addition, in my opinion, that also could be huge. This is the tokenomics of ANTIX as well. You can see that also here NFT auctions and promos are available. We will see if we're gonna see another big revive of NFTs. This of course could also push everything a bit more as well. And staking will be also available, the marketplace, asset tuning and so on. So a lot of things that are going on here, guys. And the best is, of course, always the earlier you are invested, the better, because you also never know what kind of airdrops they're gonna do in the future, what kind of events, and of course also what is needed to interact with this AI model, because the token will have a significant role in this project. And that's why not only if you're using then the project or this AI platform, but also if you want to basically be invested since day one and have huge upside potential, the earlier you're entering into those coins, the better. Doesn't matter if it's gonna pump immediately 100x right at launch or in 1 year or who knows when. But important is that you're invested and you're keeping those coins. And even if you do 100x with those coins, never sell everything. Because also with Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, XRP, with basically all of those coins, we have seen that if you're just having strong hands to hold those coins for the long term, of course for every now and then you can take some profits, but if you're just holding them for the long term, you will be sitting in huge gains, because you were in the beginning of a project since day one, even before the coin launched. And this is where people are getting millionaires and getting rich, because like that you can of course invest basically when it's worth nothing, when it's high risk to invest, but then of course although the returns are much higher. Because if you're investing right now into Microsoft, Apple, into Google, into the big companies, they are already big, they are already the biggest players. But ANTIX, for example, or any other pre-market coin that you can also access through the links in the video description, guys, there you have the chance to be invested before they're getting to the big players, or even just hyped, or even just a big number in the crypto space. Because the earlier you are invested, also the less money you have to put into those coins, $100, $500, $1,000, and you can turn them into $1 million if you catch the right ones. And it's of course always difficult to catch the right ones. That's why it is good to just be diversified into as many as possible. And ANTIX is definitely one that you should not miss out, guys. So make sure to be buying as soon as possible. And right now you have this 5% link in the video description. And also here, 7 reasons why you should invest into this one. You can pause the video and read through all of them if you want, guys. Of course, they have low market cap. The upside potential is huge. That's with all of them. And that's why also very important whenever you're buying into those coins, buy early as soon as possible. Just put an amount that you can keep here for the long term, because you buy the coins, they are locked here on the website until we can claim the coins and then trade it on exchanges or use it here on the platform. And never sell everything. Keep it for the long term. If you want to take some profits, if for example you turn $1,000 into 1 million, of course you can take out maybe 200k or $500,000 or something like that, but also keep many of them or most of it still invested, because in the long term those coins, they most likely gonna perform very well. Of course, no financial advice, guys, everything can happen, but this is at least what I would suggest. See, I'm here in the crypto space since 2017, and if I look back, every time that I sold one single crypto, I would have done basically back. I would have lost money, because if I kept all the cryptos that I ever bought, I would be probably now the biggest or the richest man on earth. Who knows that? But this is just what I have learned through the years, guys. The best is always to buy and forget about it. Don't do short-term trades, just buy and hold for the long term. You have less headache and also better results. And also with this one, I'm just gonna demonstrate you how to purchase into ANTIX, guys. Make sure to be using the link in the video description, get 5% on top of your purchase. And of course, also you're gonna be basically on the official website. Don't randomly Google this coin, guys, because very often scammers are creating copy websites. Always use the real website that is here linked in the video description. Don't randomly click Google links, especially sponsored ones. So click here then, buy now, and then you can connect your wallet. Now I'm again connected here. I'm trying to disconnect again. Let me see if I can do that. No, my wallet is automatically connected. Anyway, just connect your wallet like MetaMask, for example, and then you can choose the currency that you would like to invest depending on how much cryptos you have on your DeFi wallet. I can use here, for example, Ethereum or Tether. I have enough here just to demonstrate you how to invest into this coin. Remember, the current price is less than 10 cents. And the next stage will be then higher. We are currently 32% below the ICO price, and that's why of course it's also good to invest right now, just because of that. And on top of that you get 5%. They raised already 8.3 millions, so this one is also moving rapidly to the upside. When we started, remember guys, it was basically at zero, just a few thousands of dollars, and now we are at 8.3 millions. This is insane, guys. And now I'm going to buy with dollars, just to make it simple. I'm buying, for example, for $100. You can invest whatever you want, $100, $1,000, $500, whatever amount that you're willing to put into this project, and then just wait until launch, and then also, of course, keep for the long term those coins. Even if it's immediately doing 100x or something like that, of course, take some profits, but also keep most of it in there. Here you can see that I get exactly 1,111 coins. Perfect number, guys. Let's click here, approve. Then we have to wait until the transaction basically is going through. Let me see. Let me refresh the website. Maybe I'm a bit too long in there. Yeah, I have to reconnect. You see, this is how it works. Because I clicked disconnected before, now I have to reconnect. So just connect your wallet. I'm using MetaMask usually for purchasing into those new coins. And then whatever appears, this is token ANTIX. This is just a connection between ANTIX and also my DeFi wallet. And now I'm again connected. So again, I then choose USDT. Then I'm sending $100, approve. Now waiting for confirmation. Now let's see, $100, everything okay. This is the network fees that I'm going to pay, so perfectly fine. Okay, let's click to buy. And now we basically have to wait until this one is done. So you see here, you confirm cap spending. Now you need to buy. Here's the button, click on it. Let's click here, buy ANTIX. So as you can see, now I have bought those coins. So at the end, you're gonna see this confirmation window coming up. You can of course also subscribe to the Telegram bot and get notified about the token sales stages, TGA date, and so on. You can do that of course, or also subscribe via email. I already did that, so I'm not doing that again. But now we have bought the coins. And if you refresh the website, you should be seeing then your coins here. You see ANTIX coins here, exactly the amount that I purchased, and no bonus tokens yet. They are of course then also appearing here. So if you buy with my link, you get those 5% bonuses. Very, very important, guys. So this is how easy it is to invest into this coin, and the coins will be locked here until we can claim it. So until the pre-market phase is over and they're going live with their coin. I will update you once this is the case, what to do, how you can take profits, how you can then use the platform, what you can do in the future. Once this one is coming out, I will update you of course, but until then, just be subscribed here, guys. Invest the amount of money that you would like to invest into ANTIX, and definitely don't miss out on this one, guys. Also here, Trump promises to make big steps here in the AI world and DeFi space and so on. We have the trend of crypto here. We have here a powerful player that is now also entering into the Web3 space. This is not a newcomer, basically. It's already an existing company and platform that now you can also get advantage of it by just creating your own AI world basically in the future, and also be invested of course into this coin right from the beginning on. So make sure to don't miss out, guys. Go and buy some coins with a link in the video description to lock in 5% bonus. And of course with this one I believe that we can make not only huge gains, but this one will be also a big player in my opinion here in the Web3 world. So don't miss out on ANTIX, guys. Links in the video description, and let me know if you already bought with me in the last time, like since many weeks already, or if you're buying in right now, and also how much you bought, because I'm very interested. I'm very bullish about this project and also the coin. Let's hope that also this crypto bull run continues for the next coming weeks, months and years, because probably as long as the President Trump is president, we're gonna see here a lot of upside overall the crypto space, especially when it comes to DeFi and AI. And ANTIX is definitely one that will not be ignored, and already now is gaining a lot of attention. So join their social media platforms, join the token, subscribe to them, and of course also make sure to be invested into it, because otherwise you would have known about a very good project and you would miss out to invest. You could really miss out on a huge buy opportunity here. So stay tuned, guys. Thank you for watching. Be subscribed. I keep you updated, and we're gonna see us all in the next one. Bye for now.